If you've been searching for a way to streamline your workflows, you might have come across Flowise AI. But does this AI workflow builder actually deliver on its promises? Let's dive into what it really offers and whether it's worth your time and investment. Flowise AI is designed to help users create and manage automated workflows with the help of artificial intelligence. It's aimed at both individuals and teams who want to enhance productivity by reducing repetitive tasks. The interface is relatively user-friendly, which is great for those who may not have a technical background. You can easily set up workflows by connecting different applications and services, allowing for a smoother transition between tasks. However, while the core functionality seems solid, there are some areas that feel a bit unclear. For instance, the documentation could be more detailed, especially for users looking to implement more complex workflows. Additionally, while it supports a variety of integrations, the range of apps you can connect to feels somewhat limited compared to other workflow automation tools. Overall, it has a lot of potential, but it might not fully meet the needs of more advanced users or those looking for extensive customization options. On the plus side, Flowise AI is intuitive enough for beginners, which is a significant advantage if you're just starting with automation. The ability to quickly set up workflows can save time and effort. However, there are some downsides to consider. The lack of comprehensive documentation can be frustrating, especially if you run into issues or need to troubleshoot. Moreover, the limited integration options might leave some users wanting more, particularly if they rely on niche tools. Pricing could also be a concern, as it's not always clear how competitive it is compared to similar platforms. Overall, while Flowise AI might be perfect for small teams or individual users looking for straightforward automation, larger organizations or those needing extensive features might want to explore other options. In conclusion, Flowise AI offers a solid entry point for those looking to automate their workflows, especially if you're new to this kind of tool. However, if you're part of a larger team or need advanced features, you might find it lacking. It's worth trying out, but keep your expectations in check regarding its capabilities.